Stop. If you're thinking about buying GooglAI, there's something you need to know first. Because this might be the most dangerous AI launch of the year. Not because it's bad, but because if what they're claiming is true, then tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, RunwayML, even Suno are in serious trouble. Imagine paying one time and replacing $300 to $500 per month worth of AI tools overnight. Sounds impossible, right? That's exactly what I thought. Until I tested GoogleAI for myself. And honestly, this thing shocked me. If you decide to grab GoogleAI after watching this review, make sure you use the link in my description. Because I'm giving away some insane custom bonuses that are designed to help you actually make money with this platform. Not random PLR junk, real bonuses that can help you start an AI side hustle fast. What is GoogleAI? In simple words, GoogleAI is basically an all-in-one AI dashboard that combines Google's most powerful AI models into one platform. You get access to Gemini 3.1 Pro, Veo 3.1, Nano Banana Pro, Lyria 3 Music AI, Gemini Flash TTS, real-time AI voice, AI image generation, AI video creation, AI voiceovers, AI music, and AI writing, all from one dashboard. And the craziest part? They claim this replaces tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, RunwayML, ElevenLabs, Suno, and OtterAI. And instead of monthly payments, you pay once. Benefits. Why people are interested. Most creators are tired of paying $20 here, $50 there, another $99 somewhere else, just to use AI tools. GoogleAI fixes that problem by putting everything into one ecosystem. Here's what stood out to me. AI videos in seconds using Veo 3.1, AI voiceovers with human emotion, AI image generation better than Midjourney-style tools, AI music creation built in, upload PDFs, videos, audio, images, and AI understands everything and commercial license included. Which means you can actually sell what you create. That's huge. Inside the dashboard, you get access to multiple GoogleAI engines. You can create cinematic videos, generate YouTube scripts, build thumbnails, make AI songs, create ad creatives, generate full sales pages, build faceless YouTube channels, and create voiceovers in multiple languages. And one feature I really liked, you can upload almost any file, PDFs, videos, voice notes, images. And the AI understands all of it together. That's honestly next level. Plus, it's cloud-based, so no downloads, no coding, no complicated setup. Honest pros and cons. Now let's keep this review honest. Pros: massive value for the price. Multiple AI tools under one roof. Beginner-friendly. Commercial rights included. Great for faceless YouTube channels and could replace expensive subscriptions. Cons: the sales page is very hype-heavy. Beginners may feel overwhelmed at first. AI outputs still depend on prompts, and some features may improve over time. Results: what to expect. You could start a faceless YouTube channel, create AI ads for local businesses, sell AI-generated content, build Fiverr services, create affiliate promo videos, and launch an AI content agency. But listen carefully, this is not a magic button. The tool gives you leverage. You still need execution. Now let's talk about the bonuses, because these are actually good. Bonus 1, GoogleAI Income Roadmap, value $497. You get 7 proven AI side hustles that are working right now. Things like AI thumbnails, faceless YouTube, and AI audiobooks, step by step. Bonus 2, 1,500 battle-tested prompts, value $297. This is huge for beginners. You get 500 writing prompts, 500 image prompts, and 500 video prompts, so you never stare at a blank screen again. Bonus 3, GoogleAI Agency License, value $497. This lets you sell everything you create: AI ads, AI videos, AI logos, voiceovers. You can literally charge clients $500 to $5,000 per project. Bonus 4, 100 DFY VO video templates, value $497. Done for you with cinematic templates, perfect for TikTok, Reels, product ads, and faceless channels. First 100 buyers also get an unlimited commercial license. Total bonuses value $19.97 free with purchase of GoogleAI through my link. Is GoogleAI worth it? If you're paying monthly for multiple AI tools right now, this could save you a lot of money. And if you're an affiliate marketer, YouTuber, freelancer, agency owner, and content creator, then this is definitely worth checking out. So if you want to check it out, hit the link in the description. Grab GoogleAI before the price increases and claim all the bonuses while they're still available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.